You want a little help? So you'll take it and we'll turn it just a little bit. Yeah. All right. Yeah. And now you can turn it by hand. Oh no, it'll be fine, dude. I promise. There you go. You want to do the rest? It's gonna come out. It's gonna come out.
Yo!
Look at that. And now I'm gonna check it, make sure you ain't got any.
I got it. I got some.
Well, I was making sure you didn't have any metal shavings or anything like that, because this is a new motor. But it looks good.
Yeah.
And then we'll just let it drain all out, and then you get to fill it up.
Okay? I get to fill this up.
You get to fill it up. Now, I will say I'm probably going to have to take it off that janky stand and make sure we get all the oil out. I didn't think of that when I put it on it. But we're going to let it just drain out.
Yo, that is so much.
I know, dude. You can touch it. Oil ain't going to hurt you.
I know. Oh, my God. I'm wiping on this.
Okay, that's fine. I got to fix your training wheels after this, too. They're sticking way too far out.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to pressure wash your bike today? We can wash it if you want. It's
sure.
Okay, we'll do
after
that.
all this oil.
Yeah, after all the oil, we'll pressure wash your bike. All right, get away from the bike.
Why?
Because I'm gonna let it down.
Hold up. Is it got dip in the oil?
Well, yeah. See how it's on the side right there? We're not gonna get all the oil out, and I want to get all the oil out. So I'm gonna let it down. See if we can't get it level. There we go.
It's gonna bend it.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. I just want to make sure we get all the oil out. Yeah. See how much more is coming out now? You guys can see it too.
Do you see the oil?
Yeah, you can hold the camera. I don't care.
I know. It's better than you.
Yeah. Oh, yep. Camera's rotating. All right. Here, you got oily hands. Why don't we put the camera back where it was? We'll do that. We're about done. It's about got it all.
Man, that's a ton of oil.
Well, believe it or not, it's only a quart. That's what your bike takes, is just one of these.
One of those?
Yeah, one of those. Do you want to go wash your hands?
Sure.
There you go. And here, I got to rinse this out too. It's got yucky stuff in it. Yucky stuff in the funnel.
It's a little bit more.
Yep, it's about done though.
Your guys are got zebra. There you go, guys. See oil.
That big camera keeps rotating on you.
Oh, they got it.
Yeah, you got it, buddy. Good job.
You see the oil, guys?
Did you toot?
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Shut that door. Here. Quit rotating the camera so much, okay? You want it right here?
Yep.
Okay. Here, how about we move? We move it right to where, right where they can see. There we go.
Can they see?
Yeah, they can see. Just don't touch it, okay? They'll see you when you go put this nut back on. Now I'm going to take this nut and I'm going to clean it off real quick.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Can I put gas in a... Can I put this in my...
Nope, don't touch that yet. I'll show you how to do it. Leave it alone, okay?
Tra-la-la-la, tra-la-la. And a tra-la-la-la-la.
Paper towels.
I'm a number one.
No, don't touch this stuff. I don't want you getting it in your eyes or something. Okay.
I need the towels.
Yeah, you can use paper towels.
Too much paper towels. Too much. Wait, over here.
Well, that thing is taking forever to drain all out.
I know, right?
Hmm.
Hey guys, I know this take a long time, but I'm gonna poop on you.
Okay. Let's not tell the YouTube audience that you're gonna poop on them. All right, leave the camera alone. I think that's about done. I'll show you how to do this now. Okay. Move on over. Come on, Daddy, get in here.
Come
on down here with me. Nope, leave it alone. Hey, stop. That's not where the oil goes. I told you to stop, buddy. Calm down. Take a breath. All right, so you're gonna put it on there. Come on in here.
Okay.
Come on in here. You'll be fine. Now, I'm gonna thread it in. Okay, because no, leave it alone. I'll let you tighten it, and then I'm gonna tighten it after you. You keep tightening it.
I don't want to get my hands.
There you go. Keep on going. Yep.
I'm slippery.
Yep. It definitely is.
Oh God.
Okay. Now. Now we got to make sure, it's really important you get this on here real tight, buddy. Because if not, your oil's just going to dump all out. Then your bike's going to blow up.
Yeah, then I know no first bike.
No,
We'll show it all to the people.
Alrighty, buddy. Let's stop. Let's calm down. Put that down. Now let's go ahead.
But the gas.
Hey, stop. That's not where it goes, buddy. That's your gas. Come over here. Come on, dude. Take a breather. For real. Stop. Alright. You're going to put that funnel in there. Here.
Can I do it?
Of course you can. I just want to show you real quick. Okay. Now come here. Over here. Stop. Here. Dude, because I don't have more oil. You can't dump this everywhere. Okay. I don't want to have to go buy more. Here. Now just slowly pour it in there. Okay. There you go. I said slowly, dude. Alright. There you go. You're doing great.
That plays a zombie game.
Okay. Why don't you let me finish what I'm doing, buddy? Don't you want to ride your dirt bike first?
Sure, I'm gonna get.
Dude! Let's pay attention, okay?
Fine, I'll give it. Fine, I'll ride my dirt bike to get quick test, and then
Let's pay attention a little more, okay, buddy?
we just wasted it.
Get all that oil. Let's take a breather. Stop. Don't do that just yet. Okay. We're going to get a paper towel out. It's not for your hands right now. Come here. Stop. Go on. We're going to pull that out. Okay. There you go. Got that. We'll set that to the side.
La la la.
Alright. Now,
I'm gonna get a good test.
well, yeah, but here, first off, I gotta make sure it's not leaking and whatnot, and then yeah, go take it for a test ride. Rip on it, son. Alright. So, now.
Hey guys, we're ready today.
Yeah.
Dad, you hold the camera, okay?
Why don't you set that back down, dude? I'm not ready just yet. And I will hold the camera. I'll watch you. We'll watch you do it. Here. Why don't you
Just a little.
get that on over? Okay. I want to make dang sure that this doesn't leak oil. Okay. Spray that down.
What is that?
I guess I must have hit some moss. That's pretty though. Poor little guy.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think it bites.
No, here. You can play with them if you want. They don't bite.
It doesn't bite.
No. Okay. I'm going to start your bike up. Move on out of the way, buddy. Buddy.
Okay, Jesus. We go there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Tutong. Alala. Cappuccino, that's it. Cappuccino.
Buddy, stop. You're yelling into that mic. Here, hold on. First off, high five. Did
Yeah,
great, buddy. All right. You know what to do. Here, you hop on.
Yep. I know. Yeah. It's good. It's good.
Good to go?
Yep.
All right, killer. I just want to make dang sure we got no leaks. And it would appear we don't. That little smoking we got there is because you kind of dumped a little bit of the oil all over the motor, but that's a-okay. It'll just burn off. Alrighty, buddy. You want to say bye to YouTube?
Bye, your bros.
Alrighty.